Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to fix the issue of the video message option not appearing on WhatsApp. Let's get started right away. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. For example, if you open a conversation and tap the audio recording button, you'll notice that the video message option isn't visible here. To resolve this, go back to the main screen. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings from the menu. Next, tap on Chats, and you'll see an option for instant video messages. Simply toggle this option on. Now, your issue should be fixed. Go back to your conversation, and if you tap the audio recording icon again, you'll see the video message feature available. To send a video message, press and hold the video recording button. Your video will begin recording, and once you're done, just release the button to stop the recording. That's all for this fix. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like.